Hello guys, and welcome to this very short video. So on this video I'm going to be talking about the Sosovalue real human probability verification. We are going to be talking about what you need to know and of course how you need to approach it in order for you to successfully complete all the verification steps. So watch the video till the end, do not skip any part. I'm going to be making it very short and snappy, and also I'm going to be teaching you how you can be able to verify your own account successfully and get your 120% allocation. All right, so to start with, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly consider clicking on the subscription button down below to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like the video, share, drop an interesting comment, drop your questions right there on the comment section, and I'll be there to help you answer. So right now, to get started with, when you check out your Sosovalue EXP dashboard, this is what you are going to be faced with. You can see boost real user probability, secure season 2 EXP airdrop. So this is actually a bar that shows your progress, that is how much of a real human you are, and this comes with different stages. That is, it is just like the way we normally complete tasks. All right, so we have enough time to complete this. Do not be in a hurry. Keep relax and do your verification. So before I talk about how to do this verification, let's talk about the whole thing, the major announcement. So watch the video till the end, do not skip any part. So earlier today they actually made this announcement saying that the Sosovalue EXP season 2 airdrop are protecting real contributors. So they are trying to let us know that there are millions of accounts on the Sosovalue whatever they call it, is it web page or Sosovalue websites. They have millions of accounts and they are trying to reduce it. So over here, this is where they say the challenge is dilution crisis. They said the Sosovalue terminal has officially surpassed 110 million registered users. While proud, this hides a risk, a massive influx of automated script, in other words called bots. If the pool is spread across 110 million accounts, real reward becomes almost nothing. Our principle, we reward real human, not bots. So basically they are trying to let you know that they have over 110 million registered users, and they know that among that 110 million registered users, only few of them are real human. So they are taking these steps to actually reduce those bots or to wipe them out entirely. So they listed out a lot of things right here, but we are going to the most important one. All right, so the most important one right here include where they say that you have from February to May to actually do your verification, which is of course your real human verification, and different level of verification present different levels of reward. So if you got your probability, that is real human probability, up to 100, then you are going to be getting your airdrop, that is secure. You can see 100% probability, secure EXP season 2 airdrop eligibility, that you are going to be eligible for the airdrop. But if you are able to take yours to 120 probability, that is if you are able to get it up to 120, then you are going to be getting 120, that is you are going to be getting additional 20%. But if your probability is 0, then you are going to be categorized as a bot and there is no airdrop for you. So you need to try as much as you can to actually, you need to try as much as you can to get your real human probability verification to up to 100. All right, so it is very simple in a way, and also it is hard. So right now they also say that the snapshot is coming, but the snapshot is going to be around April to May, and from then we are going to having the KYC the airdrop distribution to the real users. So over here they said, why did they not choose KYC and they choose verification instead? They say that traditional ID verification, which is KYC, cost about $1 to $2 per account, and it is it is too huge for them to risk. So they are choosing the normal manual verification instead. So it is very easy right now, and they say that everything is running on Sosovalue chain, and you need to use Sosovalue chain for everything. And let me not bore you up with all this. Let me go to straight to the major point. So over here, this is a list of the verification different level, what you are going to be seeing right there. You can see on the first level, which is of course level 15, you can see you can only answer 3 questions and you have passed level 15. On level 30, you need to deposit a minimum of 15 USDC on Sodex to unlock 30% allocation. And over here, to reach level 60, you need to trade at least $5,000 volume on Sodex, or you need to deposit 15 MAG7 on the vault, that is the Sodex vault. So you need to achieve all this right here before you can be able to be eligible to the, before you can be eligible to claim the airdrop. And for you to achieve the 100%, you need to trade at least 20,000. You need to have at least 20,000 trade volume, or you deposit 75 MAG7 to the vault. All right, so to get 120%, you need to achieve you need to achieve a $100,000 trading volume. $100,000 trading volume, or you deposit 300 MAG7 into the Sodex vault. So this is the processes that you are going to encounter while you are trying to do your KYC. So you can see these are the levels. So I've now shown you what this level holds, and of course how you can be able to bypass them. So I want to be stopping the video right now. I'm going to be making another separate video showing you guys how I'm being able to how I'm bypassing the whole stuff, how I'm being able to solve it. All right, so the questions that each person receives is different from what another person is going to receive. So if you have a question that you don't understand or you don't know the answer to, drop it on the comment section of this video, or drop it right there on the comment section on our Telegram chat, so that whoever knows the answer will help you with it. All right, so we are going to be stopping right here. Expect the next video on how you can be able to how I'm being able to verify my own account and stuff that you need to know. All right, so thank you for watching the video, and I'll be talking to you on the next video dropping very soon.